Since childhood, we've all dreamed of meeting our dream girl. But the real world is tough, and every woman has her own standards. Especially if you're still in the early stages of manhood, you might face some tough moments. So, how do you avoid getting hurt and make any woman chase you? Why do some men effortlessly attract even high-class women while others struggle? There are ground rules to follow to become stronger and irresistible to any woman. First, there are men who put women on a pedestal, simping around for attention. But here's the truth. Elevating her only boosts her ego, making her think she's the prize, and you lose your value. She won't care about you or your feelings, believing she doesn't need to impress you. You become an option. The key is to reposition yourself, become the prize she pursues. Trust me, she wants to see you at your best. I'll guide you through 4 rules to make any woman chase you, but use them with good intentions, like a real man. Rule number 1. Stop seeking validations. Before delving into the other rules, grasp the essence of this foundational principle, crucial for elevating your value. To make any woman chase you, the first rule is to stop seeking validations. While many believe approval from others for their qualities, charisma, or skills is beneficial, the opposite holds true. Ask yourself, would you truly embrace charisma as part of your personality if others didn't approve? The same applies to your qualities. Understand this. You don't need someone else's validation to feel good about yourself, especially with women. When you're with her, avoid striving for validation. Be yourself, and she will naturally submit to you. A man uninterested in seeking validation becomes intriguing to a woman, prompting her to impress and seek validation from him. Remember, if you want a woman's validation, prove yourself worthy through actions, not just words. Rule number 2. Speak less about yourself. An irresistibly charming man strategically reveals little about himself, setting him apart. Women aren't keen on hearing life's dramas. Don't be an open book. Keep her intrigued by leaving blanks in your story, sparking her curiosity. When responding to questions, offer minimal information while satisfying her curiosity. A mysterious man doesn't delve into his day, weekend activities, or future plans. This deliberate silence captures a woman's attention, fueling her desire to unravel more about you. Remember, less is often more when it comes to self-disclosure. Rule number 3. Believe in yourself. To position yourself as the prize she pursues, you must genuinely believe in yourself. Many men fall into the trap of thinking their girlfriends are superior due to social circles, friends, and a penchant for expensive things. These self-limiting beliefs take root in their minds. However, it's crucial to recognize that these thoughts only have power because you allow them to. I've witnessed men with minimal material wealth being chased by women. Why? They believe in their prime worth. When you adopt the same mindset, women will see you in that light. It's essential to understand that confidence and charisma, fueled by self-belief, are the key traits that can captivate any woman. Rule number 4. Set your standards higher. Every man's standards serve as personal norms, defining what is acceptable and unacceptable. These standards shape your personality, communication style, and how you treat others. Most importantly, they dictate what you accept and what you won't. Unfortunately, when it comes to women, many men unintentionally lower their standards to please, damaging their self-esteem. Compromising your standards devalues you, making you appear as a low-tier man with no personal boundaries. It's crucial to maintain high standards and be open and straightforward about them. If you don't want to go out or feel disrespected, assert your boundaries. Having high standards makes you more attractive to women, as they crave an honest, straightforward man who knows his personal boundaries. Mastering the art of making women chase you isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about embracing your own worth, setting high standards, and exuding genuine confidence. Remember, these rules are not about overpowering anyone, but about being the best version of yourself. If you've reached this point, comment 100% to confirm you've got the knowledge from this video. If you found these rules helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on becoming the best version of yourself.